Honda Pilot 09 to 2012. So first thing, I will share you a link how to remove it. First of all, if you're gonna install, there's no double DIN, only a single DIN. The single DIN mounting bracket is called 997876. It's made by Metra. So it does come like these. You got left and right. Well, first of all, I had to remove this out first. I'm gonna have to take this screw right here. There's two front and the opposite side, and then there's two right here and right there. I'm not gonna show you how to remove it. I mean, it's pretty simple to remove it. You need just a Phillips, and then just take this whole thing out right here. All right. Now you notice it won't come out, right, unless you lift this up to open it, or you can what you can do, you can bend this back. Take a flathead and bend right here, or you can take a 7mm of Phillips and remove this too right there, so it's come out a little bit, so you can pull it out. Be careful not to break this. So I bend it one side and then lift it up like this, and that's it right there. So I got this out. Amigo,
¿Cómo estás?
bien.
How are you?
Good. So installation, you're gonna have to remove this X right there. Basically, you can use a blade or something, just not breaking this, okay? Be careful breaking that. So take that out. You're looking at this right here. We got it, you see XR, that's on the right side. We put some screw in here. The screw, we have plenty of screw for that. The screw that came with it, it doesn't come with it. So we had to find our own screw to fit this right here. So now the wiring harness we're gonna be using is wrap HO7803. That's gonna plug it in. It's gonna look like so. We're gonna color the color. Basically red go red, yellow, black go black, and the whole 9 yards. And so here I could not put the flip up screen like this, like so. It's too big, it's too long, it's extended this long right there. It's not gonna fit. So what I'm going to show you is I'm going to put a regular stereo right here. This is all I got with the CD, with Bluetooth. I didn't have nothing crazy extravaganza type deal, expensive. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to have him hold the camera. I'm going to try to fit this back right here. First of all, you got to get this back in that holes right there. First, and then push this out and go in that holes. Wow, it's not that simple, huh? And try to align this right there with this up right there. So I'm gonna twist it around. I'm gonna use the screw they came with. You gotta use that existing screw. Put it in one by one, step by step on this one. Those are the typical, and then try to match this again, even though it looks, you see that? It's not in the same spot. I gotta get that in the same spot. It's not in the same spot. This one is, but how come this is not? Let me try this one first. I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna get this hole aligned. I might have to bend it first like this. Right there. So we got that one, and then this is same hole. I had to move it a little bit. Right there. Watch how you drill it. If you don't know how to use a drill, do not use a drill. Use your regular hand Phillips. A lot of people said, oh yeah, I can use a drill. The next thing you do, when you work with plastic like this, you will mess it up. Because if you don't have control with your finger, gotta learn how to use your finger, guys, if you want to be good at it. There you go. So now all I have to do is plug this plug in the back, but be careful holding this thing, you can break it. Plug it like right here. Oh, got a customer, somebody. Funny. The antenna for that, you need 40 HD10. This is it right here. It's gonna plug in, and this is gonna go to the radios. We're gonna walk to the radios. I plugged this plug already. All you need is this one plug and this antenna. We're gonna go that way, right there. See that?